Hi guys, I'm back because I figured why not. What is today? I don't know what today is. But anyways, you guys will see a video before this of me. Let me show you in a second. Well, I don't know if I can show you guys. Basically, the video this is from, you might recognize it, is from this, where we painted that up. Well, the paint's not sticking, and I am not one for wasting paint or spray or anything like that. I need to put my timer on. I want to look into getting a microphone. I have it at 13 minutes for now. So I kept touching it and it's not drying, you see? But I'm not going to waste it. So we're going to use up every inch of it. And I don't have my water bottle, but I do have alcohol. So we'll use the alcohol. And our Rolodex cards and pick up some color so that we have a bigger variety. I have my drinking water. Let's use my drinking water. Why not? It has mint leaves in it because I have a belly ache. It's very pretty. You see? Instead of getting upset and wiping it off, we're making nice backgrounds from it. This one here. Very pretty. Let's grab some more. I have this one here. Very pretty. Just pulling random cards from my Rolodex. I'm trying to be quiet because we have kids. They're asleep. This one here. It's a lot of alcohol. This one here. So nothing stuck to it, even though we dried it and everything else. Nothing stuck to it. So now it looks like that. Take my rag that you guys see all the time and use it to clean that off. What I'm thinking might stick would be maybe some glass paint, maybe acrylic, because the alcohol ink didn't stay. What if we try Stays On ink? Like I have this red here, blazing red. Oh, I shoved my nail into my finger. I'm going to let this dry, because we'll use that too in our art. See what that looks like. Always don't throw your ink covers out. These. Don't throw those out. Keep them there. They should have a sign that says, do not toss, keep. Because I remember when I first got these, I didn't keep them. I tossed them. It actually keeps your pads nice and moist. I don't want to double contaminate, but I guess I am. Is this blue even going to show up? Yeah, it shows up somewhat. So we're contaminating. Oh well. Actually looks pretty that way. Then, see, I don't have the cover for this black one, and this black one tends to dry out a lot. And because we're going to cut these out and use them, I don't know what's going to show up and what's not going to show up. And since I have those out, first let me show you guys this, what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Hope it's not glaring too bad. Okay. And what I would do is, I'm going to heat set it off camera and then cut them out. For instance, glue it onto a Rolodex card, or you can glue it onto, or staple it on. I think I like it stapled onto a card. So I'm going to put that aside. But since I have you guys here right now, this is taking a long time to dry. It's been about 4 hours since the video you guys have seen, and it's still drying as far as that one goes. Oh. What I want to do is ink some of these that we did together. That video, what's it called? I think it's called Inking Up. Inking Up? Inking Around, something like that. It'll be up before this video for sure. But since I have this stuff out, oh, it feels good to burp because, yeah, my belly's hurting. I can't have milk, but when I make fettuccine, I tend to like to use milk in the fettuccine sauce. Yeah, I wanted to ink these edges up. And I don't do well with milk. That looks very pretty like that. Make sure you watch the video before this one. Let me find out what that one's called. Ooh. When you have over 800 videos, you tend to forget what you call each video. Oh. And since I don't know if I'm going to be around Saturday, I pre-recorded something for you guys to come up on Saturday. It's going to be called Inking Around. And that's scheduled August 31st. So this will come up August, well, this will come up September 1st. Yeah. So the main reason for me coming on is just to hang out with you guys, get some content up. That looks really cool. I love that. This needs a little more, but before we add a little more, let's just ink up the edges. I like grunging it up a bit. You can use any color. You don't have to stick with the black. You can use blue. Looks like my blues run out. Yeah. Let's see. How much blue is in here? I don't think that's it. Hang on. Let's test it right here where there's nothing. Yeah, there's not a lot of blue in there, so let's not use the blue. I'm gonna see if I can get my hands on the refill for this blue. Put that aside. We can use red. You can use acrylic paints. You guys have seen me do that. But I was saying the whole purpose for me coming up on here was because I wanted to show you guys that the ink did not stay on this. So now we're trying the stays on, but I definitely need to heat set that. Oh, that looks pretty. As far as stays on, those are the only three colors I have: the blue, the red, and the black. Well, now only the red and the black until I can refill this one. And I highly believe in not tossing these out. I highly believe in refilling them with the little ink bottles that you can get. These little ink bottles. Because then you can refill it over and over and refresh these all the time. That one's pretty cool. I'm just wondering if it's going to dry. Okay, folks, that's the only reason I came on here, was to share with you guys this. And since I had you here, I just inked the edges up on these, and you can see them. They're pretty cool looking. I love them. I love them a lot. So thank you guys for letting me into your homes, wherever you're at, all around the world. Please share me. Share me. And leave me a comment down below. What are you guys doing? And I'll chat with you guys later. And if you'd like to know if you'd like to see more art videos, remember there's over 800 videos that I have. Some are categorized. Most of them are categorized. I might need to go back and categorize them a little bit better for sure, but it's going to take some time since there's 800 plus videos. So it's time for me to chill out and drink some tea water because my belly hurts. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye-bye.